My name is Dr. Cade, and I founded LIFEstrength Health Center 14 years ago.
Hey, I'm Coach Kaysen, and I've been in the natural health and wellness field for over 10 years, and I joined Dr. Cade 4 years ago. And together, Dr. Cade and I believe that true health is within.
We believe that you're wired to heal, that you're designed by God to be well. If you're struggling with a stubborn symptom, a pain, a label, or a diagnosis, we believe that there's a reason why, and it's our mission, our purpose to get to the root of why that's happening. Since you, the patient in your body, is the one doing the heavy lifting, the hardest part of our job at LIFEstrength is actually finding out what is causing each patient's stress and inability to heal.
So what causes a person and their nerve system to get out of balance? What causes our body not to heal? Since we're all made in the same image of God, there is only one answer for each of us: stress that we cannot overcome.
We break stress into 3 parts: mental stress, chemical stress, and physical stress. Mental stressors include things like work, finances, and relationships. Chemical stressors include the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the chemicals in our environment inside and outside the home. Physical stressors include birth trauma, past injuries, falls or car accidents, or sitting at a computer for 8 hours like many of us do. Simply put, our biography turns into our biology. Life is good when we can overcome these stressors. The problems occur when we cannot. What pushes us over the edge is unique to each person. How and where those symptoms show up is unique as well. To some extent, these are all things that we must deal with on a daily basis. However, day after day, filled with these stressors, our body gets stuck in fight or flight, guarding and protecting itself physically and emotionally, putting us into survival mode. This can happen at any age, at any time, to anyone. When this occurs, the body's ability to heal and thrive literally turns off. The body can no longer care about healing and regeneration. It only cares about survival.
Physically, this impacts how our gut digests food, the nutrition of each cell, the balance of our hormones, how well our immune system can fight, how our joints feel and function, how vibrant our skin is, how quickly we age. This impacts the ability to be fertile and reproduce, our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep, how sharp our brain works, and so much more.
Emotionally, this impacts our patience with our spouse, our compassion towards our children, our motivation at work, feelings of anxiety around big events and obligations, our social interactions with others in our community, how we overcome feelings of loneliness and depression, and more, way more.
One of our favorite sayings in the office is that you cannot negotiate with Mother Nature. What we just shared and how we help people to get well is not a belief system or an alternative care or a natural medicine. This is how each one of us works.
The way we test to see what state your body is in, how balanced your nerve system is, how well each organ is functioning, and how nourished each cell is the same for each person. However, the story of how you got there and the strategy of correcting it is different for everyone. We take great joy in creating an individualized approach for the person sitting in front of us, so they too can refine health and achieve their goals.
Both Dr. Cade and I have dealt with massive health struggles within our own family. We feel it's our life's purpose and our greatest joy to help other families avoid the pain and the suffering that a lack of health often brings. If you're looking to keep your family well, or you're struggling with your own health crisis, if you're tired of care that's based on a quick fix, if you're looking for a partner that will ride with you on this journey, if you're looking for somebody who will actually listen, if you're ready for the next chapter of your health, then we are too.
It is our purpose to reconnect you with your God-given health within. Regardless of what you've been dealing with or carrying over the years, we just want to remind you that you can be well again. I'm Dr. Cade, and this is Coach Kaysen. We can't wait to meet you and your family finally in person and start the journey together. God bless you.